Istanbul New Airport is a mega project. This is probably one of the biggest lighting control projects in the world.
Because this airport sits in the center of the world, it's just going to be one of the largest hubs in the world. 90 million passengers per year. It's quite challenging.
The most challenging thing in this project was the area. It's too big and there are more than 400 pieces electrical cabinet locations. So the beauty is the IP backbone allows us to control everything super fast and commission very fast.
Lighting automation is critical for our airport. We got around 300,000 lighting fixtures in the airport, including the ATC tower, as you see this terminal building, and car park. Imagine 50-watt average lighting fixtures, power consumption. That makes 15 megawatt energy. And if you don't control it, you will be wasting a lot of energy. And the Helvar, for such a big area, you have many different buildings and it's a huge, wide area. You need to control it very fastly, very accurately. It's just perfect, tailor-made solutions we needed, and Helvar is the one actually helped us to achieve it.
We control entire building, including terminal building, both FOB and back of house areas, apron, car parking, piers, and air traffic control tower. There are 1,400 DALI routers, more than 6,000 pieces sensors, more than 1,000 pieces user interface, and more than 150,000 DALI drivers and emergency kits in the project. The beauty is we used only 5 Helvar components in the building: routers, relay units, sensors, user interface, and software. We can monitor energy consumptions, system failures, missing devices, and prepare reports to the facility management team. We get this information from the flight information systems and we can automatically control apron lights and FLB lights according to the data coming from flight information systems.
Helvar is helping us with the daylight sensors. We're using the daylight. If not necessary, we're just dimming it to the 10%, 5%. As per the lux level, Helvar is good at it because they use the backbone and they use the fiber optic system IP level. So that means this is a great fast communication. And the software is also very strong and powerful. Aprons, which is very critical for the aircrafts. ATC tower, all the technical areas and all the decorative lighting in this airport is based on this one control system, one software. So you can reach from wherever you want. That's what we like actually about it.
In this sort of project, what you find is that there's very different needs depending on the person going through the different areas. But what people don't realise is that of course you have different needs from the check-in staff and how they need to do their work, the security, and of course the baggage handlers. This airport, I believe, will employ around about 40,000 people. So it's really important to make sure that all of those people are covered for their lighting needs.
And the lighting is very important because it directly affects your emotions. When we design this airport, we used 4,000 Kelvin, which is like very daylight actually, pretty close to the daylight. So you can feel like you're outside actually when you're walking inside the airport.
I would like to thank to Helvar from the first day to today. During the tender stage, they support us, and also the technical issues, they help us. Thank you very much.